Hello, all you lovely computer scientists. Today we're going to be showing off the very basics of classes, objects, and object-oriented programming in Python. This being like the initialize subfunction and the class subfunction. That is about it. We'll also tinily touch upon some of the other things. Thank you very much. So, when you're working in any program language, and especially when you're making larger programs, you'll encounter a concept called object-oriented programming. OOP for short. And what it is, it's the usage of classes, objects, and object-based commands to make your code more efficient. Python has this exact thing. The class command allows you to initialize a class. Let's say vehicle. So the vehicle will be the class. And you need to do one specific command to make an object, which is def underscore on it underscore init underscore. And while I know I'm British, the init does not stand for isn't it, it stands for initialize. And there's some variables you need. Always have a self variable. That's mandatory for the initialize. Other ones are the actual data you want. So for vehicles, let's say wheels, chairs, and speed. Good things for a vehicle. Now, simply, self dot wheels equals wheels. Self. Oh, I've got to press enter. Self dot chairs equals chairs. And self dot speed equals speed. Now you might wonder why I'm using the self dot. The self is the actual object. So I'll demonstrate. It's easy to demonstrate once I actually create an object. So let's say car equals vehicle. And the variables will be, they've got 4 wheels, 5 chairs, and a maximum speed of 80. Now if we do print car dot wheels, let's see what we get. 4. Now as you can see, the car is the self here, and the car has all of these. So the car has 4 stored in its wheels piece of its information. So if we print car dot chairs, we should get 5. Yep, 5. That'll be how you create just an object with some data. You can modify data. So if we do car dot wheels equals 6, now we print car dot wheels. Obviously it gets modified. One great thing about classes and objects is you don't need to assign them as global variables when you're working with subfunctions, which is a very nice little quality of life thing, I see. And it's one of the main reasons why I like using them, as well as just being more efficient. And finally, just print self.speed, or car.speed. Just to make sure all of them are out there. Should we get 80? We got 80. That is about it. There are some small bits and bobs which I will show off at a later date, such as how to have object-specific modules, object-specific subfunctions, class-specific subfunctions, polymorphism, inheritance. There's a bunch of small things with classes which are amazing to know, but this is the basics. Thank you all very much for watching. I do hope you learned something. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, especially comment, and tell me what helped you learn, because I love learning how you learn, as it helps me make better videos for me, for you, for everybody as a whole. Thank you very much.